guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I want to talk about tools. So I get a lot of comments. I love the comments. Keep them coming in. Especially a lot of you guys put in extra tips in the comments, stuff that I didn't know, and I know it helps the community as a whole a great deal. So thank you very much for all of that. So what I'm here to talk about today is just a little bit about the channel itself and the tools that I use. So when I started this channel, I wanted to gear it towards the people that were in it for fun or starting out and didn't have a lot of disposable income, didn't have a lot of knowledge about the trains themselves, didn't have a lot of tools. So all the repairs that I do on the channel, I do them with the tools that I have. None of them are special, to show that you don't need special stuff to fix these things. Because guys, after all, they're toys. It even says so on the box, American toys. So, you want to get serious in it, that's great. If you need nut drivers, you need air compressed chisels, I don't know. I don't know what you need. Lathes, if that's your thing, that's awesome. For me, now, I'd rather spend the money on getting new locomotives, getting new parts for the locomotives, helping develop merch like this, and putting things towards the channel, because there's not a lot of money that I have to throw around at this stuff, so, I got to use it wisely. So I'm just going to go through the basic tools that I use consistently for all the repairs that I do on the channel. So I'm going to start with an adjustable wrench. Handles all of the different sizes on all of the train's driving wheel nuts. I don't need a gun, I don't need a nut driver, I don't need a huge ratchet set to do that. You just need this, that's all. Maybe a smaller one than this. Don't use a pipe wrench, it won't fit. But this one, solid start. Screwdrivers. Most of the Lionels can be dealt with a slot screwdriver, like this one, or the Phillips screwdriver, the star, like this. I have a couple different sizes of these. These are kind of the medium-sized screwdrivers. I do have some that are considered more hobby or eyeglass screwdrivers to get the really small pieces out. If you're going to invest in something, invest in a set of these and some of the smaller ones, because I use them all the time. Especially now if I get into pre-war stuff is all slot. So I guess that's what they had at the time. Don't know much about them. Next up is pliers. I got these guys, and I got these guys, and I have a pair of channel locks. The channel locks I don't use quite often because they're kind of big and bulky, and they're a little bit too much for what I'm working on. But these two standard size pliers, not a problem. Needle nose are super handy. They also have the wire cutter on them, and I use that a lot. Both of them do. So these, next important set of tools that I have. The knife. This is my wire stripper. This is my gunk scraper. This is for whatever I need, anything cut, scraped, or removed. This is the go-to. Next, the famous green Scotch pad. I don't know what I would do without these. I use this to clean everything. You can use it without any chemical cleaners. You can use it with some chemical cleaners like contact cleaners or WD-40s or something. Works great either way, from the dollar store. $1 for a pack of 6. This would be a full pack here. You get this for $1. Perfect. It'll last you forever. So there's those. And finally, of course, a soldering iron. Now, this is a cheapo soldering iron. I think I paid $16 for this from a discount tool shop, but I've had it for 3 years now, and it's worked perfectly fine. If you want to get an oxyacetylene torch to do your soldering, you're in trouble. But hey, if that's your bag, go ahead and do it. This is all I need. The tips are replaceable. I do have some replacement tips if I need them. And if this thing craps out on me, it's 16 bucks. I go to the discount tool store, I get another one. But since it's been around for 3 years, it's clearly not going anywhere anytime soon. This is the Lionel Postwar Greenberg repair book. This thing is fantastic. It's full of pictures and schematics and good explanations on how to take things apart. It's got everything in it that you would need to repair these. And what it doesn't have, there's tons and tons and tons of Lionel Train groups on Facebook and all over the internet that you can ask the questions for. And of course, you can watch my videos. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care now. Oh, don't forget to go buy your shirts. If you really want me to get a nut driver set, buy some of these and maybe I'll be able to afford it. See you later.